Hi everyone, I'm Carol coming at you from Pure Hot Yoga in St. Louis. And in today's posture breakdown, we're going to talk about the Pilates crunch. You'll find this in our Inferno Hot Pilates classes. It's a great move to work on your transverse abdominis. So think about those muscles that sort of wrap around your center, just like a corset. It looks pretty straightforward and simple, but there are some common mistakes and misalignments. So let's take a look. You're going to start on your back. And there is that little whisper of space underneath your low back. We also call that neutral spine. You bring your hips and knees to 90 degrees and flex the feet, keeping the legs about hip width distance apart. And then you bring your hands lightly behind your head, elbows out. The chin is slightly tucked. You want about a golf ball size space between your chin and your chest. And you exhale as you crunch, shh, and inhale as you release it. Really controlled is the way to go here. One of the common things we see is people going a little too fast. If you keep this nice and slow, you'll get so much more out of the move. We also start to see the elbows sort of craning forward. So, you're driving that chin down, but really you're working, that's just pulling with the arms and not focusing as much on the abs as you could. So keep the elbows wide as you come up. The other thing we start to see around 6, 7, and 8 get a little tough. So you start to bring the knees sometimes closer to your face, and that also takes away the intensity of the move. So make sure you're pressing the knees away from your face, keeping the knees over the hips the whole time, and you'll start to feel it. Please let us know if you have any questions. You guys have a great day. We'll see you soon in the hot room.